My name is Sean Channel, and welcome to TALSMART News Digest. Our team brings you a fresh story.
Now that COVID-19 has become more regulated and trade shows are opening up, people are starting to prep for trade show presentations. How do you make the most of these shows? We have some tips that maximize your impact. The first thing to do is to set up your booth on time and to create a booth that doesn't involve too many lights and sounds. You want to be ready, but you don't want to be the company everyone sees as a jerk. According to the pros, the staff are going to make the biggest difference. In other words, they have to be at the pinnacle of professionalism. They should avoid eating at the booth. They need to stand while they're working the booth. And above all, they should avoid the typical chit-chat that many boothmakers have. People get drawn in by professional appearances and a positive attitude. Make sure your staff has name tags present and an open body language. More importantly, make sure your staff listens. 80% of the time should be spent listening to potential clients. Be consistent and make a point of learning potential clients' names. Finally, be smart. Stay out of others' booths.
At TALSMART, we want to inspire every salesperson to dream big. TALSMART is your go-to sales training and coaching partner that is focused on the IT and software industry. Visit talsmart.com to learn more.